Hey guys, this is One Man, One Camera. It's Sunday morning here in Vegas. Getting warm already. It's about 9 in the morning, I guess. 9:30, I don't know, not sure, didn't check the time. And today we're talking about the update on the Las Vegas Convention Center, the LVCC. So first up, you can see the monorail stop. How exciting is that? There in the background, you see the West Gate. Now we're on Paradise right now, and once we get to, I believe it's Convention Center Drive, we're gonna hang a left and take a look-see at the construction. All right, this is just fluff right now, you guys, okay? Nothing really. Now check this out. Ugh. This is the, I call it the back gate to the Wynn, but I don't think I've ever seen it open. So I don't know what the deal is with that. All right. And off in the distance, you can see the Resorts World. All right. The Westgate, Courtyard Marriott. Hey, Vegas has everything. As most of you know, the LVCC does have conventions all year long. The giant one, CES, held at the beginning of January every year. The, what's the one called that I went to? The National Association of Broadcasters, also held every year in April or March. Been to that one 3 times. Always enjoyed myself. Very kind people. All right, now check out the structure, or the shell of the extension for the LVCC. Now this seems to be coming along, you know, a-okay. Oh, and as you notice, there is the walkway to cross the street from the main building to the new addition. See, it's cut off right now, but of course, once everything comes up online, it will be there. All right, make a left turn. All right, there we go. Whoa. A lot of space. Give me that voiceover now. Hey, this is One Man, One Camera. Today we're looking at the Las Vegas Convention Center and its expansion. The news is the Las Vegas Convention and Visitors Authority, LVCVA, has approved a contract for the Boring Company, that's Elon Musk, to build an underground transit system which would run less than 1 mile near the north end of the Strip. Check out these graphics. So one graphic you see has just one line going from the new exhibit hall on Convention Center Drive all the way across to the South Hall. Another version had like 3 different lines, and trying to figure out what they want to do. And all the people will be inside of a people mover, which looks like this. You see, this is the artist rendition, nice big wide glass. Now the reason why they want to do this is that the route is about 0.83 miles, so 15-minute walk or so, and each ride from point to point would be about 1 minute. So I don't know. It looks pretty good. Cost is about $48.7 million, and so hopefully, if they do it, they're coming on time, on budget. Let's continue our tour of the outside of the Las Vegas Convention Center. Thanks, guys. Now it is a Sunday, so I don't see any activity inside of the construction site. See, it goes for a while, right? So, you know, you can do a lot of walking at these conventions. A whole lot of walking. All right, how you doing? All right, and there is the luxurious Circus in the background. Always outstanding. See, this is a lovely building. Okay, now I gotta turn around, hit the other side. All right. So you can see where it ends at. And I don't know if this other bit right here will be parking or more structures. I think it's gonna be more parking, I believe. We're back on Paradise now. You get a shot of the LVCC edition. Now they put this fence up here so you can't see, you know, if you're on that side of the street. I'm kind of sad about that because it was open and I thought it was really nice for the view. And there I am in the window. All right, let's see. Behind the bus stand. It's cool in the shade. All right, so there we go. Oh, I hear a ambulance. And a fire truck. Okay, so we're gonna, like I said, we're on Paradise right now. We're gonna go down Elvis Presley Boulevard. All right, and take a look-see. All right, so here we are at Elvis Presley Boulevard. And it was funny, so, you know, Elvis Presley Boulevard, you got Encore, The Wynn, Resorts World, Circus, and Fontainebleau. There's a real Heartbreak Hotel. Haha, sorry. Poor joke. All right. So you can see some of the construction here of the LVCC. Now, as I recall, if I didn't mention it in the voiceover, I believe Elon Musk either wants a contract or got a contract to build an underground, like a rail, not really a rail system, I guess maybe an underground people mover from like point A to point B, because, you know, it's a long walk from the Strip to the convention center. Now, you have a new addition, but still, if your event is on the old area and you're over here, then it's a long stroll. They figured a underground people mover will help things along. So we'll see if that comes up. We will see if that happens or not. All right. This is probably parking over here, right? It's gotta be. All right, we're gonna cross over. Construction employee parking lot. All right. So, dink. There it is. The sun's really in the wrong position right now to get a nice clear shot, but it's the best I can do for you. All right. And over here to the right is part of Fontainebleau. And who knows when this place is going to open up. You know, it's pushed back to 2022, I believe. But as long as this place has been dead or closed or whatever you want to call it, and keep pushing date back and back and back, you know, you got to wonder if this thing will ever open. Well, I shouldn't say that. Many wonder if and when this place will open because it's been pushed back. So PC, huh? Who knows, you guys? They screwed up, all right? Somebody blew it, plain and simple. All right, you guys, this is your old pal, one man, one camera on the Las Vegas Strip. And I do thank you for watching the video. Go away safe. See me outside, say hello, and I will say hello back. Take care wherever you are, and have a great day. Thanks for watching. That was Everyday Dad closing. Thanks for watching. All right, you guys. Adieu.